Isn't nature beautiful? Aw, look at the beautiful tree.
I know. I know. I know. What the fuck? Bitchy? Stop recording me. Look how ugly I look. Get away from me.
Aw, look how tall and beautiful it is.
No, I just got out of school and I gotta deal with this bullshit. I told you, save me the piece of chicken. Stop being a fucking fat ass and eating it all. What the fuck, man? I'm on the phone. Can I get privacy?
Shut up, you whore!
Be quiet, old woman. Ugh.
Aw, look how beautiful this tree is and the beautiful leaves. Ah! Walking hand! Aw, look how depressing nature is once it's gotten taken down. I wonder by who? What's that? What? Old woman? Stop taking nature down! Oh, don't come near me! Ah! Look how beautiful this tree is. Ah! What the fuck, ho? What are you doing?
Stop recording me.
That guy's on crack.
I wasn't supposed to talk. Stop recording. Bitchy. Give me that. Isn't nature beautiful? What the fuck? What is that?
Look at that.